Okay, what is up everybody, and welcome back to another exciting video on the Mosh Mob channel. So the past couple days here in Las Vegas have been really windy, and I haven't really been able to get out and about and fly the drone around or get any shots or do any videos. Today, I wanted to make a really special video. So I bought the Holy Stone HS720e out. That's my drone. I wish I had a DJI, but this is really good. It's got a 4K camera, it's really cool. I've been getting a lot of questions about how to set the flight altitude and distance of the Holy Stone HS720e. So I'm going to set up the drone and we're going to get started. I'm going to show you guys how exactly to do that. Also, as you can tell, I put some Velcro on the top of my Holy Stone HS720e, and that's because I can't afford an FPV drone right now. I'm working on it, and I'm really looking forward to getting an FPV drone, but we have an FPV camera and we put some Velcro on it and the drone so we can put it on the drone and get some FPV shots. Obviously, we got another headset. This is a knockoff brand of the Beta FPV drone headset. So we're gonna get that set up. It's got some antennas and stuff. Look at that fancy stuff. Anyway, so we're gonna get this put on the drone and get some FPV shots. But first I wanna get this set up and show you guys how to set the flight distance and altitude, see if it works, and get some really cool shots of Sam Boyd Stadium right here. So make sure you stay tuned. If you like the video, smash like, and I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay, so first thing is first, with the Holy Stone HS720e, you gotta insert the battery. Insert the battery like this. Check it out, right there. Bada bing, bada boom. Okay, so now that I had the drone turned on, I'm gonna go to the app right here. And I'm hoping you guys can see, but I'm gonna go right into the device here and it should pop up right away. I should have this turned up. The camera is turned down for some reason, but make sure when you land the camera, when you land the drone, the camera is facing pointing upwards, not down, because it scratches up the lens, and I should have took my own advice. But anyway, so in the app itself right here, as you can see, I'm hoping you guys can see inside the app itself, besides the shadow, there is a little settings icon up top here, okay? So you click that settings icon up top right here, and there's in safety, it should say safety up to the left of that screen. When this screen pops up, there's a slot that says beginner, okay? You want to go ahead and shut that off. It was on already, but I'm going to see it's blue, so it's on beginner. So you want to go ahead and click that off. Now, underneath that, there's a couple different things that say orbit, semi-diameter, max flight distance, max flight altitude, and RTH altitude. Orbit semi-diameter is when it goes going around you, how big the circle you want it to be is. So when you set it to circle me mode or orbit mode, that is how big the circle will be around you. So orbit semi-diameter is how big the circle diameter is when it's in orbit mode. Now max flight distance is obviously self-explanatory. It can go all the way up to, it says 3,277 feet. So I'm gonna set it at about 2,500 feet. And then right under it says max flight altitude, which is how high. Max flight distance is how far, max flight altitude is how high. So I'm gonna set that to about maybe 250 feet. See if I get it there. It says it goes up to about 393 feet, but yeah, we'll just set it up to 250. So max flight distance is at 2,500, and max flight altitude, how high it will go, is at 250 feet. Now RTH is return to home altitude, so that's how high it will hover when you hit return to home, which is right here. The top right button is return to home. So RTH, return to home altitude, is when you're far and you hit that button, when it comes back to you, how high the drone will actually hover above you. So that's the basics right there. You could also set this to metric, which is meters, imperial feet. So right now I have, like I said, I have everything set up. I'm not going to do the orbit mode right now, but we have it set up for max flight distance at 2,500 feet, max flight altitude at 250 feet, RTH altitude 50 feet. And now we're gonna try to get it up in the air and get some cool shots of Sam Boyd Stadium right over here. So I hope this helped you guys, and I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video. Okay, y'all, so that was a lot of fun. I hope the video turns out all right. I'm gonna go home and check the shots, see how they turned out. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you do, make sure you smash like. If you'd like to subscribe, that would be awesome. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.